Hello everybody, how are you doing? My name is Alexandros and with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus and we break salsa and bachata moves. And today we're going to be doing an improver to intermediate salsa combination. Now I didn't put a name for this one because it's actually a creation day in my school. A creation day is something that I haven't uploaded yet. This is the first one. Is when each of my students suggests a small aid of a combination or of a simple turn, and then I just combine all of their suggestions by the end of the class into one lesson. And speaking of, this is the one with the music. If you'd like to see it as a lesson, click the link in the info card or in the description. Let's get going.